with a friendly reminder, we are 1 week away from our quarterly company meeting. That's going to be a company-wide awesome call that is on Teams. So be on the lookout for that email we're going to send for a one-touch click on right onto Teams. You can access this call from your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer. Please don't drive. And there's no reason why we shouldn't see everybody on the call. It's going to be for an hour. That's going to be Thursday, February 22nd at 6:30 p.m. And if you've been on this call before, you know how amazing it is. We're going to shout out anniversaries, focus on a couple of our awesome team members out there. We're going to focus on some core values, talk about updates, growth, changes. And at the very end, I'm going to give away a gift card for some Grubhub, some apparel, and with just a gift card, right? And we're even going to pay you for your time. So again, next Thursday, February 22nd at 6:30, I hope to see everybody on there. All right.